In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take apart an Acer laptop Aspire E1. I'm gonna show you how to take apart. This video can be helpful if you have to replace a part, whether memory, mouse, hard drive, data cable, screen, whatever the case may be. This video can be useful to you, so you can go right ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, Lens representing. So yeah, you want to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button for more tech videos. So yeah, I'm gonna take this laptop apart. It's an Acer, as you can see. About the model, I'm gonna talk about the model. It's an Aspire E1. So I'm gonna take this apart and I'm gonna take the entire thing apart. So if it happens that you're replacing just the part, this video might be helpful to you. Yeah, so one of the first thing that I'm gonna remove here, I want to remove the keyboard. So I'm gonna remove any screws that would be holding down the keyboard, which is this one right here, and also this one holding down the CD drive. I'm gonna remove that one also, and I'm gonna just remove these screws right here, and the hard drive is here also, so I'm gonna just remove the hard drive as well. So guys, here the hard drive is. I'm gonna remove the hard drive by just pulling it back, pulling it up, taking off the connection there for the hard drive, and I take the entire thing off. I'm gonna put it back on just for safety. I'm gonna remove the memory also. This is a 2 gigabytes memory. I'm gonna remove the Wi-Fi card also. So the Wi-Fi card is removed, and there we go. I'm gonna also remove this screw, already removed. So guys, before further ado, I'm gonna just remove all the screws, and then we're gonna remove the keyboard. But if you want to remove your keyboard or replace your keyboard, you can just remove these 2 screws right here. So in removing your keyboard, you want to take a plastic tool or something sharp. You want to be careful, and you want to put it at the top of the keyboard like this. Wow guys, so the keyboard is out. That was a bit tight. Keyboard is out, and also we're gonna detach the mouse, and yeah, let's go ahead and just lift this up. So we just removed the front panel with the mouse, and also we are going to remove the screen as well. So you want to just take your hands and pop the bezel off. You want to take your time that you don't break it. And then it is off. And you can see a bit of a rust in the corner. Yeah, so we're gonna take the screen out, and to do so we need to remove the screws at the top, starting with the screws at the top. And let's just remove the screws down here as well. So we're gonna just remove the back cover. There are some cables attached to the back of the screen, and we have to remove those also to get this removed. So here we are, right here. As you can see, the data cable here, I'm gonna remove the data cable from the back of the screen, and then I'm gonna remove the back cover. Remove this, and now we have to also remove the Wi-Fi antenna, which is right here. It's right here. You can see that it is taped down, so let's remove that. So that is removed. So as you can see, this is the back cover, and we're still working on the screen here. I'm gonna take off the data cable, and to remove the data cable, you want to, this plastic right here, you want to hold this plastic while holding it back and then pull it out. For us to remove this screen from the hinges, as you can see, there are 6 screws at the side. For this one, there is 2 here, and also 2 on the other side. For some, there will be 3. So we just had to remove the screws by the side, and while doing so, you will find that your screen is coming apart from the hinges. So you want to hold the screen properly that it don't damage. See what I mean? Yeah. We're gonna do the same thing for the next side. So now our screen is out, guys. Yeah, our screen is out, and here we are. Here we are. We're gonna remove the motherboard, And while doing so, we want to just remove all the ribbons from here. Remove the data cable and also the ribbon for the power card as well. And if we want to remove the fan, we can remove the fan, the CMOS battery, and the processor chip right here. I am thinking about removing the hinges, but they are rotten. Yeah, they're rusty, so I'm not gonna remove those. I'm not gonna remove those. But I'm gonna remove the data cable from that area. Also gonna remove the Wi-Fi cable as well. So the Wi-Fi cable here is out, and the data cable is out as well. So guys, this is how you take apart an Acer laptop, Aspire E1 computer. That's how you do it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and yeah, for questions or comments, you can comment in the comment section.